Hi guys, and welcome back to the Nails channel. Today, as you can see, we are doing an Easter egg style set using Little Lilac, Looking Glass, which is this lovely teal colour, and then we are also going to be using Apricot Pudding today. We are also next going to be using for our yellow Buttercup, which is the perfect pastel yellow, especially for anything Easter related. And then last but not least, we've got Strawberry Cream. So what you want to do if you're doing this on a press-on set or your clients, you are just going to paint 2 coats of these on every single nail and cure for 60 seconds in between each layer. Once you've done that, I will then be back with the next step for you. This is the easiest tutorial you will ever see, and it's using a tool that you probably wouldn't expect me to use for something like this, but it's obviously quite handy if you don't have every tool in the toolbox and you think, what have I got laying around the house? Let me think. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to start painting on my first coat and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me apply all those colours. Look how cute they look, absolutely stunning. A really nice Easter mix, I feel. So once you've done that, you're then going to take your matte top coat. This is perfect for just eliminating any shine in the nails. If you're new to using it, then it's really simple. Just going to pop it on like a normal top coat, and instead of your nails coming out shiny, it's going to come out matte. So I'm going to place this on all of my nails now, and then I will go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. Let me know in the comments which shade is your favourite out of all of these. I am toying between the Apricot Pudding and Little Lilac. I feel like they're my 2 faves. So this is my random tool that I pulled out of my drawer for this design. So basically an eyebrow brush, this is like a cleaning tool for my airbrush machine, an eyelash brush, anything like that that's got these little bristles on it is the perfect tool to use for the mini egg tutorial on a nail. So if you get a client that wants it, trust me, this is going to be the easiest and most effective way to do this. So you just want to add a little bit of Serious Black onto the tool, and then you're just going to simply dab around, and that was a bit too big there, but just dab around, and you know what, whatever comes off of it comes off. And I think the beauty of this design is that none of them were the same. Some had bigger spots, some had less, some had smaller. And that is just the way that the mini egg chocolates look. So yeah, I was quite happy with how this came out. I'm going to go ahead and do that on all of these nails now, and then once I've done that, I'll show you how they look in a glossy form with an uncured matte top coat on. And then I will go in, cure the matte, and you'll be able to see how it looks at the end as well, fully matte. So I'm just going to show you a few different finishes that you can get with this look. So here they are with the matte base, but the gloss dots, which you can easily take some shiny top coat and just go over the black dots with, and that would still look how it looked just then. It's a little bit time consuming, but it would look good. And then I'm going to go over now with my matte top coat, and obviously before you cure this, it is still going to be glossy. So I just wanted to show you as well how it looked with a glossy finish, because I think they looked really cute with gloss too. So there's your glossy finish, adorable. They genuinely look like little mini eggs, which is really cute. And then this is after I've cured them, and that's the matte finish. So I was really happy with how these came out. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you think these look quite realistic to the mini egg chocolates. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.